G'day guys, welcome back to MG Rebuild and hello to my new subscribers as well. Today we're going to be fitting the rear driver side guard, or for the Americans, the passenger side. So the first thing what we're going to do is take off that back wheel so we've got better access to under the guard, so it makes it a little bit easier to actually mount everything. So first up, let's lift him up off this trolley. Now, at this stage, I'm not sure whether the actual bolts come up or down into the actual guard. So, just for now, I'm only just fitting them just a trial fit to get everything else to fit along with it. I think the easiest thing is just to actually come up, and we'll work it out from there afterwards. Oh, by the way, if you do know, send me a comment so I can actually make sure I've got it right. Okay, and you can see, look, I haven't tightened everything up yet, just to allow me for alignment with the other parts. Hang on, wait for my gimbal to catch up, but it's looking all right. Naturally, as we all know, there's going to be a bit of piping through there. So that will hide that line. Anyway, I do have the other side to do. The other side's going to be a little bit more difficult because at some stage there was a second set of holes drilled in the guard. I'm not sure why, whether it's just there to line up or not. So I've had I had Jim weld all those holes closed, so I can then drill new holes and make sure it's all lined up perfectly right. So I will most likely do that in the next episode. So until then, don't forget to subscribe, like the page, share, certainly want comments on this one, and also don't forget the t-shirts as well. And like I said, there is another couple of designs coming out within the next 3 weeks, I reckon, and I'm sure that a lot of you will like it. So until next time, I will see you later. Bye-bye.